Hello, semester 6. This is paper 17, Entrepreneurship Development. Today we are talking about Unit 8. The Unit 8 is about inventory control and quality management, defining quality and its concepts, aspects of quality management, ISQ 9000 certification, TQM यानी Total Quality Management. Now, फर्स्ट वी टॉक अबाउट क्वालिटी. व्हाट इज़ क्वालिटी? हम लोग बहुत बार मार्केट में या कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लेते हैं या कोई भी चीज़ ख़रीदते हैं डेली अपने लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ें जो हम यूज़ करते हैं, तो कई बार हमारे सामने वर्ड आता है कि इस चीज़ की क्वालिटी कैसी है या व्हाट इज़ द क्वालिटी. कोई भी चीज़ जब आप परचेज़ करते हो तब उसकी क्वालिटी चेक करते हैं और कई बार हम उसमें कुछ मार्किंग दी हुई रहती है, उसका स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन किया हुआ रहता है. उन सब के बेस पे या फिर जो रिव्यू आते हैं उन सब के बेस पे उसकी क्वालिटी चेक करते हैं. एक एज अ पैरामीटर होता है किसी भी प्रोडक्ट की, किसी भी चीज़ की गुणवत्ता जांचना यानी क्वालिटी जांचना. तो फर्स्ट वी टॉक अबाउट क्वालिटी. क्वालिटी इज़ जनरली रेफर्ड टू अ पैरामीटर which decides the inferiority or superiority of a product or service. It is a measure of goodness to understand how a product meets its specifications. Usually, when the expression quality is used, we think in the terms of an excellent product or service that meets or even exceeds our expectations. Now clear है कि what is quality, हम क्या quality से समझते हैं. These expectations are based on the price and the intended use of the good or service. Intended use of the goods or services. In simple words, when a product or service exceeds our expectations, we considered it to be of good quality. Therefore, it is somewhat of an intangible expression based upon perception. A quality management system यानी QMS in short form is defined as a formalized system that document processes, procedures and responsibilities for achieving quality policies and objectives. A QMS यानी quality management system helps coordinate and direct an organization's activities to meet customers and regulatory requirements and improve its effectiveness and efficiency on a continuous basis. Its concepts, जो quality management system है उसके concept, quality management systems have many concepts including number 1 is improving processes, second is reducing waste, third is lowering cost, fourth is facilitating and identifying training opportunities, next is engaging staff, and last is setting organization-wide direction. Before establishing a quality management system, organization must identify and manage various connected multifunctional processes to help ensure customer satisfaction. कोई भी काम करने से पहले क्या प्रोडक्ट के लिए हमको ये मार्केट ठीक है, ये कस्टमर को जो हम प्रोडक्ट बना के दे रहे हैं यहाँ पे ये सेटिस्फाइड करना है इनको, इनकी क्या नीड है, हर चीज़ की रिक्वायरमेंट को, उनकी चॉइसेस को, उनके बिहेवियर को, एवरीथिंग को नोटिस करते हुए इन सब फंक्शन को किया जाता है. द QMS डिज़ाइन यानी क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम डिज़ाइन should be influenced by the organization's varying objectives, needs and products and services provided. This structure is based largely on the Plan, Do, Check, Act. Plan, Do, Check, Act यानी short form में PDCA cycle and allows for continuous improvement to both the product and the QMS यानी product और QMS quality management service. The basic steps to implementing a quality management systems are as follows. इन दोनों को improve करने के लिए एक सिस्टम है, एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप हमें फॉलो करना होता है. क्या चीज़? नंबर 1 इज़ डिज़ाइन, सेकेंड इज़ बिल्ड, थर्ड इज़ डिप्लॉय, फोर्थ इज़ कंट्रोल, Fifth is measure, sixth is review, and seventh is improve. Now design and build. The design and build portions serve to develop the structure of a QMS यानी Quality Management Service, its processes and plans for implementation. Now second is deploy. Company intents are increasingly being used to assist in the deployment of quality management system. जो company internet are increasingly being used to assist in the deployment of quality management system. Now third is control and measure. These are two areas of establishing a QMS that are largely accomplished through routine systematic audits of the quality management system. And last is review and improve. The goals are to determine the effectiveness and efficiency of each processes towards its objectives, to communicate these findings to the employees, and to develop new best practices and processes based on the data connecting during the audit.